I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can extract transactions from bank statement using Bitskout, Zapier and Google Sheets. Now we have a template called bank statements, here it is, and this template also extracts transactions in CSV format. In order for you to write those transactions, which I think of interest of anybody who is working with bank statements, you would need to parse this CSV. It's not very simple to do, so I will show you how to do it in Zapier. And you can find other tools like Make or Microsoft Power Automate in our YouTube channel. So in Zapier I have created a very simple Zap. So first step is in this Zap is to detect a file in a folder. Let's edit so I can show you step by step. Okay, so it means we will detect the file in this folder. In your case it should be something different. And I have already detected the file called lending. Okay, and this is my bank statement. So I press continue with selected record and I need to run a test. The next step is to add a step called run plugin for files. Okay, let's click continue, choose our BitScout account. Then in a step of plugin you need to choose bank statements. So if you click here use template, you will immediately create a template. Okay, just choose Zapier and press create and that's it. And in the file URL you need to specify, let me show you how to do that, this option called file exists but not shown, nothing else, and press continue. And the next step you need to do is run a test. I already did that, so I don't need to do that. The test is very important. It will run BitScout and extract the data from that file that we have just selected as a record, and this will give us the list of fields that we need to map. So the next step is to add a step called utilities. Okay, and in event, in this case, you need to choose utilities, and let's press continue. And here the transform action called import CSV file. Okay, and a CSV file, let me show you how. You need to choose from a BitScout step, you need to choose transactions. That's the one. Okay, not this one, but transactions. When you click on it, it will automatically pull up this information from a previous test that we have run. Then you need to choose that the first row is a header row, which is correct, and you need to choose a semicolon delimited. We use semicolons in BitScout to separate columns between each other. And that's about it. You can press continue and let's retest this step to see if everything is all right. So I'll show you how the all right looks like. So this is the CSV text, which we're not really interested in. And here, as you can see, we are starting to get one by one. So line item 1, the information, line item 2, the information. This is a parsing of the CSV, but that's not yet what we can map into Google Sheets. Okay, everything is fine here. And now we need to add a module called looping by Zapier. In this module you need to select the event called create loop from line items, and then in the action you need to add those values. So basically, if I would show you how to do that, basically we should add date, then click, and in the utilities step we need to choose date. That's the one. Then we add description, and then in the previous utilities step we choose description, and then we add amount, and then in the previous step we choose amount. Here it is. Okay, so you have just created 3 values. It's not automatically, Zapier doesn't automatically detect everything from CSV. You need to tell it, and that's what we're doing. And these are 3 values that we need. Let's press continue and retest this step. Okay, so now as you can see, we're going over loop. So we're checking each line item. And in this loop we get the date, the description and the amount. These are our values. Now we can use them. Now the next step is add a Google spreadsheet row and create an event called spreadsheet draw. Press continue, choose the appropriate account, press continue, and here we need to map the fields from the looper, from this step, date. Okay, so now I have fields mapped. Let's continue, and let's test this step. The information will appear, as you can see here. And this is how you can now extract data, extract transactions from all your bank statements. Feel free to use this Zap. I will share this Zap and attach it to the article in our blog, so you can download it and try to use it. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch via our chat. Thanks a lot.